everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to show you how to do this beautiful hairstyle, and we also want to wish you a happy new year. This is our last video before 2020 and we hope you have a great year. Let's start.
Hi guys, I'm Marcela. I really hope you are well. And first of all, as always, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment. I'm going to apply it all along the hair so it will be shiny. We will keep it healthy and ready to start our hairstyle. I'm going to leave you the link to get it in the top right corner of the video, and you can take advantage as it will be 40% off until the last day of this year. For the hairstyle, I'm going to start by picking up a piece of hair on the top of the head and now hold this section into a ponytail with an elastic band. Next, I'm going to come back. I'm going to add a little bit of volume. This is optional. And now from the right side, pick up a piece of hair from here and hold it into a ponytail as well next to the first one. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, so we will have 3 ponytails. Now I'm going to start with the middle section. I'm going to do a regular braid crossing the outside strands under the middle one. We're going to keep braiding until we reach the end of the hair. And now I'm going to come back and I'm going to pull the braid just from one side. We want it to be a little bigger in here so we can do a flower. Now we can hold it with an elastic, and in here I'm going to roll it up. I'm going to hold it with some bobby pins as I'm doing the flower, and I'm going to hide the end of the hair. Next, I'm going to do the same thing with the left section. I'm going to do a regular braid. In this time, I'm going to pull it a little bit from the left side. Now roll it up and hold it with bobby pins. Do the same steps with this section. Perfect. When we are ready, I'm going to accentuate the flowers, so I'm going to use a little accessory. We're going to place them just in the middle of the flowers, and this is the result, a cute and very easy hairstyle.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. See you on our next video. Bye!